Okay, we're gonna solve these subtraction problems. So again, there's two ways. You can convert them to improper fractions and solve that way, or you can try and see if you could subtract just by doing the whole numbers and then the fractions. So first, let's look at the first one. Let's take 5 minus 1, and we get 4. So take the whole numbers. Now let's look at the fractions. We have to take 4 fifths and subtract 3 tenths. Well, we can't do that until we change them to have common denominators. Well, in the last video, I showed you that 10 was the common denominator. So I'm going to convert 4 fifths times 2 over 2 to get 8 over 10. Now I can plug it back in. 8 over 10 minus 3 over 10 equals 5 over 10. Okay? So I have my fraction, right, because it's a minus. 5 over 10. 5 over 10 is just divide by 5 over 5. You get 1/2, right? And then you are just adding it to the 4, right? So it'd be 4 and 1/2 would be your answer for that problem. Right, you end up adding the two sums. Let's see if we could try this one. So let's keep going with our strategy, just subtracting the whole numbers. 13 minus 9 is 4, and then 7/8 minus 3/4. Again, that's a fraction, different denominators. I already know that 8 is the common denominator, right? 8 divided by 4 equals 2, which is a whole number. So that means 8 is your least common denominator. So I'm just going to change this fraction times 2 over 2 to get 6 over 8. Now I have a fraction over 8. So 7/8 minus 6 over 8 equals 7 minus 6 over 8, which equals 1/8. Combine 4 and 1/8, and that is your answer. For the last problem, you're going to have to convert both to fractions that are over 6. So first, if you just take 8 minus 2, you're going to get 6. And then you have to solve 2/3 minus 1/2 by converting both to common denominators. Well, the least common denominator, 2 times 3 equals 6. So you're going to have to change these to fractions over 6. 2/3 times 2 over 2, and 1/2 times 3 over 3. And then you can finish up with your subtraction from there.